How to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. For this, you want to open the Binance app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, you want to tap on the wallet option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you want to select the option of spot. Once you are on the spot section, you want to click on the withdraw option. From there, select Solana. Now select send via crypto network. Now you will need your Solana wallet address. So for that, you want to open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account over here as well. Here, you want to tap on the receive option, then select Solana from here. Now, this is your Solana address. Go ahead and tap on this copy icon. Once it has been copied, head over to the Binance app. Now, you want to paste the address on the first box. After that, you want to select your network. Then you want to enter the withdrawal amount. Then tap on the withdraw option at the bottom right corner of your screen. After submitting this request, your withdrawal will appear as pending in Binance. This transaction can take anywhere between few minutes to an hour. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.